So when you look up, this is what you see. Amazing. And then this village of Tejeda. So as you can see, the church right ahead and the houses, but if you look far in the backdrop, wow. Going on. In the meantime, we can admire these insane mountains. Ooh, it's been amazing. It has been look at that, look at that. Oh, look at that bad boy. Wow, what a sight. Sometimes let these cars go because I'm taking my time. Look at this up there. It's a bit cooler up here. Look at those mountains, and the clouds are coming down. Ooh, I hope we're not gonna have those clouds. They're coming very fast down into the valleys. Look at those bad boys coming down. So we have got another just under 6 miles to the village of Tejeda. Oh, I'm hoping we're not heading into the clouds. We don't need these clouds. It's already quite cold now. Maybe I need to put something on. Let's see if we follow the cloud or the flood, or the clouds follow us. Okay, so we have come to another junction. That's where either you go straight towards Tejeda or you take left and go towards El Roque, and that's apparently, I think it's probably it's another very famous that little rock. I think probably it might be the highest point or something, and it's crazy because you can go all the way around to the very top, not very top, but just a little bit below that, and then you can maybe have another view from there. Of course, we're not going to do that. We're going straight ahead to Tejeda. But what an absolute sight this is. Oh, the weather is it's a bit cooler here, even though the sun's out. But it is an amazing, look at that. There's another rock up there. The ways, it looks like somebody had just, you know, placed it there. Another beautiful bus stop. Wow, that is amazing. That is amazing. we are just about a mile away from our next destination. Oh, it's been an amazing ride so far. Tejeda, and the views around are insane. And it's so cold here. I need to put something on because I'm really cold. My hands are pretty cold. I need to stop. Yeah, we'll stop where we are. Tejeda is here. Look, welcome to Tejeda. Okay, we've got roadworks going on. We got to wait. Going to show you, and then we're going to continue because it's still half a mile. So another beautiful viewpoint. Now we remember that previously we were on the other side of this huge rock, and in the mountains we came all the way here, and we just continue because I think the village is a little bit further down. It's just a fuel station. So yep, cruise de Tejeda. Oh, I can see it's a beautiful village. We're gonna walk around, leave the bad boy somewhere, and we're gonna walk through the streets. It looks pretty amazing to me. So we are in Tejeda. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Coming down. The clouds are coming down. Okay, just leaving the bike here. Let's explore Tejeda. So we're just gonna walk, and there's I think the town is down the hill. So, but there's a pedestrian path, I would say, street. So we're gonna go down and explore Tejeda. Looks amazing place. The views are absolutely amazing from here. Let me show you from here. Look at that. That huge rock is quite popular, I guess. Oh, the clouds are coming down. Look at those clouds. Let me just show you. Look at those clouds. Okay, anyway. So now, let's go and walk in the streets of Tejeda. Oh, the weather is still amazing. It is a bit cold here. Not when you're walking, but on the bike it's quite chilly now. Need to put something on when I get back. My GoPro again is not responsive at all. I don't know. Oops, what's wrong? Oh, as usual, a very quiet little town or village. With insane views. Wow. Wow. What an amazing viewpoint. Wow. Stunning. Guys. Wow. Of course this little pool is like a man-made, but when you look up, this is what you see. Amazing. And then this village of Tejeda. So as you can see, the church right ahead and the house. But if you look far in the backdrop, sorry, see my zoom. Wow. Okay, so let's walk through these streets. There's a local store, and look at the view from here. That's insane. In fact, you can bring your you can drive all the way here. There's a cafe, a bar, restaurant with an amazing view. What an amazing view. And then there is a church in the middle of this town. I'm just gonna go walk around this place and enjoy the what a place. Oh, look at those clouds. Going towards the church front of the church, I would say. There is another cafe here. That's quite a big church. Yeah. What time is it? 3:15. Of course the clock is not working, but it's 3:15 already. Okay, so let's go a little bit into the streets, explore it a little bit more, and then we'll be... Look at that bad boy right in the backdrop. That's a huge rock. I'm sure GoPro won't show you, and these streets are pretty narrow and steep. Look at this street. It's so narrow that you hardly can go through. Oh, these streets are so narrow and so steep. Just keeps going down and down. Let's go back up again, because it's not going to be easy to climb these. I'm sure the GoPro doesn't really show you, but these are pretty steep, these streets. Okay, let's go back. Really quiet. Most of the restaurants are closed because there are not very many tourists here. Oh, I'm out of breath. These streets are really steep. Open market, of course, it's not on. It's not open today. Oh, this is the old town, so we're gonna go there in a second. But for now, let's have another view. So let's go and walk through the old town of Tejeda. It is pretty cool. Okay, that would be a nice cafe for a quick stop, which we already have. But yeah, now I feel a little kind of look at the view. Okay, and this goes around and around, and then you can, so there are cafes and bars and restaurants where you can sit and enjoy the amazing views. That's the road we took to get here. We've got a pretty long way to go all the way back up to the north. Okay, so let's get into this cafe and see what they are selling. Got loads of very interesting stuff selling. Ooh, hello, hi. Oh, you got loads of amazing stuff. Oh wow. Oh, I'll definitely try some. Let's see. Oh, look at this. It is a very nice cafe, but look at the views are stunning. The views up here are stunning. That is amazing. Okay. Okay, so let's enjoy. Ooh. Let's enjoy our coffee and admire the beautiful views around. Amazing. Wow. Yeah, it's a nice place to eat up. Coffee. Two very special because I asked her if everybody's got something to recommend. And this only cost me €5 something. Very cheap. And I was a little bit greedy, I went for 2. Amazing. This is so good. Let's try this one. Full of almonds. Wow, that was very good. Okay, so we had a very good stop here, half an hour break in this lovely cafe and a freshly baked cookies and stuff. Highly recommended this place. Nublo, something like this. And the views are stunning. The weather is still very nice, so we are now heading back to the bike and continue